What does gratitude really mean to you? Is it simply about feeling thankful when things are going well, or is there a deeper layer to it? In today's world, we often associate gratitude with saying thank you for the good things in our lives, like a gift, a kind word, or a good experience. But what if I told you that true gratitude goes beyond these moments? What if it's something you can practice even when life isn't so perfect? Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher, once said, "The best way to repay someone for a favor is not to return it, but to show gratitude." Stoic gratitude is about embracing life as it comes, both the easy and the difficult parts, and finding meaning and peace in every experience. It's not just a feeling, it's a mindset. And what's amazing is that it's something we can choose to practice every single day. So, let's take a deeper dive into what Stoic gratitude actually looks like and how it can transform the way we experience life. So, how does Stoic gratitude actually work in practice? The key is in how we choose to react to the situations around us. The Stoics teach that life isn't always going to be easy, and we can't control the events that happen to us. But we can control our reactions. Gratitude, from a Stoic perspective, means finding value in all experiences, even the difficult ones. Think about a tough day at work or a personal challenge. Instead of focusing on what went wrong or feeling frustrated, Stoicism invites us to see these struggles as opportunities for growth. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." In other words, the obstacles we face aren't roadblocks. They are part of our journey, helping us develop virtues like patience, resilience, and wisdom. So, practicing gratitude means recognizing these opportunities, even in adversity. Now, you might be thinking, is there any scientific proof that gratitude works? Well, the answer is yes. Studies have shown that gratitude can actually change the way our brain works. A study from the Greater Good Science Center at UC Berkeley found that practicing gratitude regularly can increase happiness and improve overall well-being. When we focus on the good things in our lives, our brains release feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which reduce stress and increase happiness. Not only that, but gratitude has been shown to strengthen relationships. When we express appreciation, it fosters kindness and connection, just as the Stoics believed. So practicing gratitude isn't just a feel-good exercise, it's scientifically proven to have positive effects on our mental health and relationships. This is exactly what the Stoics were teaching long before science confirmed it. Practical ways to practice Stoic gratitude. So, how can you bring Stoic gratitude into your daily life? First, you can start by practicing daily reflection. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. This helps shift your focus toward the positive, even on challenging days. Second, try the Stoic practice of negative visualization. Imagine losing something or someone you care about. This might sound strange, but it helps you appreciate what you already have. Seneca, a famous Stoic philosopher, said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." By practicing this technique, we learn to value our present circumstances more deeply. Finally, embrace acceptance. When things don't go as planned, instead of getting upset, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Stoic gratitude is about being thankful for the lessons hidden in every experience. To wrap things up, Stoic gratitude isn't just about being thankful for the easy moments. It's about training yourself to find value in every situation, whether good or bad. It's about shifting your mindset to see every challenge as a chance to grow and improve. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." So, start practicing Stoic gratitude today. Embrace each moment, good or bad, and look for the lessons in every experience. By doing so, you'll find a deeper sense of peace and resilience in your life, no matter what challenges come your way.